Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a real MetaTrader 5 account. To get started, the first thing you need to understand is that a real MetaTrader 5 account is not created directly inside MetaTrader alone. You first need to register with a regulated financial broker that supports MetaTrader 5, such as forex.com or FBS. The broker is the company that actually provides your live trading accounts, while MetaTrader 5 is the platform you use to access and manage it. This distinction is important because many beginners think MetaTrader itself creates the account, when in reality, it only connects you to your broker's trading infrastructure. Begin by going to the official website of the broker you want to use, for example, the official FBS website, or another broker of your choice. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says something like Open Live Account or Sign Up. Click that and start the registration process. This is where you officially create your trading profile, so take your time and make sure you are on the correct official website to avoid scams or fake platforms. You'll be asked to fill in your personal information, so make sure everything is entered accurately and matches your real documents. This is important because your details will later be checked during verification. Even small inconsistencies in your name, date of birth, or address can cause delays during approval. After signing up, the next stage is identity verification, often called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Regulated brokers require this step for security and compliance reasons. Typically, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID along with proof of residence, such as a utility bill or a bank statement. This step ensures that your account is secure and legally compliant, and it also protects your funds. A useful tip here is to make sure your documents are clear, readable, and up-to-date, since blurry or expired documents can delay approval. It also helps to take photos in good lighting and avoid cropping important details so the verification process goes smoothly. Once your account has been verified, you'll need to fund it with real money. Most brokers offer several payment methods, including bank transfer, e-wallets, and credit or debit cards. Choose the method that works best for you, and make sure you check for any minimum deposit requirements or possible processing times before you continue. Some brokers also offer instant deposits, while others may take a few hours or even a couple of days depending on the method. Now that your live broker account is ready, open your MetaTrader 5 program. At the top left of the platform, click File, then choose Open an Account. This will allow you to connect MetaTrader 5 to your broker's server. This step essentially links your trading platform to the account you just created with your broker. In the search field, type the name of your broker, such as FBS, and wait for the available server options to appear. Select the correct broker server, then click Next. After that, enter the login credentials provided by your broker for your live trading account. Be careful to use the trading account credentials, not just the website login, since these can sometimes be different. Using the wrong credentials is one of the most common mistakes beginners make when setting up MetaTrader 5. Once you enter the correct details and complete the connection, your real MetaTrader 5 account will be set up and ready to use. At this point, your platform will be fully connected, allowing you to see live charts, execute trades, and manage your positions in real time. And that's all. You've successfully created and connected a real MetaTrader 5 account. From here, you're ready to start exploring the platform, analyzing the markets, and practicing proper risk management as you begin your trading journey.